Hey, you might heard of freezing TRX, but you might be thinking, okay, so I get energy, I get either bandwidth or energy, and I get some Tron power, but why do I need it? So let's see. First of all, you just have to, wait a minute. Okay, not the right platform. So you just have to go to freezing. So you click here on the Tron power and bandwidth or energy. Uh, so think about it. The bandwidth is given for free every day. It gives you like full, while the energy is not given free. You should do it yourself by freezing only. And uh, like for sending transaction, it consumes only bandwidth, while triggering smart contracts uh, consumes energy and bandwidth as well. So you might, I think I will stick with this option myself, but up to you. What are you gonna do? And now you're just gonna put your amount. Let's say I have only one TRX, but it's not actually enough. I used to put more, but now it's on the Binance. So yeah, don't mind me. So you have to just type your amount. Then here is your address. You can also send it to other people. That's what my friend did. He froze his TRX and gave me his energy. So here we go, and I confirm to freeze. That's it. Okay, you freeze, you get Tron power, and so you have to go here, votes. Now, when you have votes, uh, one TRX is one Tron power, which is one vote. Now you have to vote for one of them. These are super representatives which decide, which proceed our transactions. What are they? Let's see. For example, let's go to one of our transactions. Let's go here, let's go here, and we can see this, right? Confirmed SR. SR means super representative. So these are my super representatives that confirmed my transaction. And you're just gonna vote for them. I don't know for sure, but I think they get some kind of reward for it, for serving us. And if you're gonna vote them, I think they're gonna get some TRX. Wait, so how you can earn by voting? So, um, do someone pay if you vote for them? You get it right. So it's up to the super representative. Some super representatives pay in their own coin, which I have one example. It is Tron. Here we go. Tron Europe reward coin. So they give this to their, like, to the people who give them Tron power. Like if you vote for them, they're just gonna give you like this coin. But I think this is useless. I will vote only for TRX reward. You might be thinking, well, how do I calculate it? There is no like yield or like invest in me and get something, right? There's nothing like, even this is useless. Like 0%, you might think, well, they don't give, but they actually calculate using their own formula. They distribute using their own system. So yeah, everything is confused. And I have a good news for you. So this is called Voter Rewards Calculator, Voter Rewards Bot. You just have to like start. Okay, you started it. Now you have to do set votes, and let me type it, because set votes, and how many votes do you have? So I have 600 TRX. I just put 600. That's it. Now it's put. Now I just type get rewards. Yeah, here we go. So let's say I froze 600, and I just uh, you know want to get something. So this is what I have: 0.1 TRX per day. Let's calculate it per month. How much I gonna get? 0.9. 11 30. So I'm getting 3 TRX per month. And imagine if you put 6,000 TRX or like 60,000. So I'm not recommending you to put, but just telling you that I could get more by putting more. Just telling you, okay? I'm not telling you invest, go invest, lose all of your money. So that's it. That's how this works. You get the rewards and etc. by voting here, and that's it. Well, actually, this sounds like a honey, right? Like, wow, why not everyone doing it? Well, actually, everyone is doing it, and the thing is, they're wasting resources. Like, they don't use resources, you know. And recently, Tron protocol is rethinking about it, so they're gonna put either Tron power or either energy or bandwidth. Okay, this is I think bad, because now I have to like divide my like phones, like 8,000 Tron for bandwidth, 10,000 for energy, and the rest are for the Tron power, you know. This gonna, I think, yeah, this, the current situation is more profitable, but I bet if this gonna be like super beneficial for the blockchain, it's gonna be implemented. And it's like it's open source, anyone can just see it, contribute. So just feel free, guys. Maybe you didn't like some, like this sentence, and want to, you know, implement your own idea. Just feel free to add something. And that's it, guys. Also, the thing is, you have, if you have energy, you can also sell energy somewhere. I forgot the sell energy. Tron. So there was some marketplace. Yeah, token goodies. So let's say you have energy, you don't use it. Let's say you have Tron, you're voting and getting some power. Now you want to make additional income, right? You just have to go to token goodies, okay, and borrow energy, lease Tron energy, and receive TRX payout. So here we go. Someone says, hey, give me 500, like this amount of energy, and I'll give you 15 TRX, right? Isn't it good? It's already filled, like everyone already like bought, I guess I'm not really familiar with this website because never used, but just telling you that you could make additional income by selling energy while voting, and getting TRX payout by the super representative is passive income. This one is not passive income. You can't automate it. You should always check the website, be the first than other energy sellers, and just act quickly and monitor constantly 24/7. So up to you, up to you. Okay, blockchain billionaires, blockchain poor guys, blockchain just developers. That's it, guys. That's all I wanted to share. Now I think you can share it with your friends. Goodbye.